I made some fluffy rice, some nice good old Spanish style rice, nice and fluffy like this. I put it over my split pea soup, and I'm gonna go ahead and taste this. It's a little hot, but I'll blow on it because it's worth every single bite. Ooh, it's very hot. You can actually taste the spice from the chorizo and the pumpkin. It's just absolutely wonderful. Well done, if I may say so. So go ahead and make yourself some split pea soup and enjoy it. If you want to have it alone, you can. You can take out the rice. It's a little bit, you know, too much of a carbs for you, but it's wonderful. On behalf of Expert Village, thanks for watching.